This is a suburban spot. I got it. Corn and a camera stuck out here yesterday. Had a buck we had last year. He's got a spike on one side and 4 on the other. He's a really old deer, just a very unimpressive deer. So he didn't get hunted at all last year, but he's old. He's very old. Walking in, and I'll show you at the end of the video. See this there? But I've got 4 does bedded at 40 yards right there beside a big log. And they watch me walk in. So we'll see. Anyways, there's a good one in the area. That old deer, he's been showing up. He showed up 3 times so far in 24 hours. Twice in the daylight. So we're gonna try to kill him this evening. In a lady's shed, so we'll see how it goes. I've got 4 does bedded by that log right there, so should be a good evening. Just off, he's at 70 yards, and he's slowly coming this way. He's not really in a spot I can film. It's too much foliage. I just barely caught a glimpse of his rag and his body. There's also several does coming in this as well, coming in. Acorns, man, acorns. Big buck. Big buck. He ran 35 yards and crashed into the log. All the does were bedded on. Freaking smoked him. Alright, I'm calling my brother. Alright, my arrow zipped straight through him. And it carried through, and it's all this grass stuff. I don't think we'll be able to find it today. But it's actually not as close to the property line as I thought. So I'm gonna video me walking up on him. It's kind of dark, but there's a deer right there, doe. He's right on the other side of this log here. Oh, yeah. Bo, that is awesome. Heck yeah, man. Giant deer. All right, I'm gonna get him out of here. Heck yeah. Alrighty, here he is. This is after a year of mounting him. The last bit of footage didn't turn out at all. So that's him right there. You can see he had his brow tine sticking out the back. Fractured or cracked his skull. Maybe got hit by a car fighting another deer. Who knows? But kind of just an interesting racked buck. Super tickled to get him though. Let me flip this camera around. I'll show you the backside. He also had a little infection on the back of his skull, so I wonder how long he had that. But anyways, tickled to death to get this deer. Again, footage wasn't great, but very cool deer. Tickled to death to get him. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Gonna start trying to make some more YouTube videos, and first year back at it, kind of fun. So it's also tough, I'll say that. It's been tough, but been a lot of fun, and killed some nice ones this year. Killed a lot of deer. Got about half of them on video, and some just didn't work out. But anyways, kind of fun to do it. And again, thank y'all for watching, whoever is watching this, and hope you have a great day and a blessed day wherever you're at. We'll see you later.